Good morning, children. Today is Friday. Today is 4th September 2020. Children, now take your rhymes and songs book, book number 6. Open page number 18. Now let's revise the rhyme, The Grocer's Shop. Where are you going? Where are you going? To the grocer's shop. To the grocer's shop. How will you get there? How will you get there? With a skip and a hop. With a skip and a hop. What will you buy there? What will you buy there? A piece of cheese. A piece of cheese. May I come with you? May I come with you? Yes, if you please. Yes, if you please. Children, practice this rhyme. Next, take your general awareness book, book number 4. Open page number 82. My neighborhood. So now you all understood neighborhood. Yes, neighborhood means places nearby your house. So this is post office. You have to identify, observe. See, this is post box. So this is post office. You have to check from the help box here. Okay, post office. So you check for the word, observe. This and this are same. Yes, you have to write this word here. Now next, school. School. So you have to observe this word where you can see in your help box. S, sir, beginning with S, school, sir, school. So you will write school. Now next is police station. Police station. So the same word you observe in your help box. Okay? Yes, police station. So you have to write this word here. Next, this is park. As soon as you see, you will identify because you go mostly to park. Yes, there you'll see like this benches, chairs, trees. Yes. So it is called park. Park. Okay. So this is park. You have to write the word here. Now next is cinema hall. Cinema hall. Yes, here it is. Okay. This word you have to write here. So your main task is you have to observe. You have to check this word where you can see in the help box and write here. Okay, children? Now next, take your English notebook. Today you will learn un words. N, un. Now write bun. Bun. Yes, bun means you will eat no daily. Yes, it is a bakery item. Bun. Okay. Now fun. When you go to park with your parents, when you go for trips with your parents, when you go for an outing, you will enjoy, you will have fun. Yes, fun. Gun. You all know what is gun. Yes, gun, which is used for shooting. run. You also know what is the meaning of run. Next, sun. Sun. So you all know, no? Sun. Daily you see in sky. Yes, sun. So practice writing all these words. Children, now next take your numeracy skills book, book number 3. Open page number 54. Today you will learn about between. Between. Please repeat, between. Children, before learning about between numbers, let us once revise before and after. Okay? So no confusion. See, when you take a number line and you write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So if I ask you, what is the number just before 5? This is 5. On number line, if I ask you before, you go back. This was before. Okay? Now coming to after, if you take a number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So now if I ask you, what is the number just after 3? So this is 3. After means moving front. So after 3, you're moving front. Before, you're going back. You can see the difference. See, before, you're going back. Before. After, you're moving front. So this is the main difference. Okay? Before, going back. After, front. Now coming to between, when you take your number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now between means middle. What is the meaning of between? Middle. So if I ask you, what is the number between 4 and 6? So you underline for your convenience. Here you will see two numbers. Okay? 4 and 6. What is the number between means middle. I said middle. 4 and 6. Between 4 and 6, what is the number? 5. So this is how you should understand. So if I ask you, what is the number between 1 and 3? 1, 3. What is the between number? These two numbers are there. Between is 2. So this is how you have to practice between numbers. So now let's start writing between numbers. 16 and 18 are given. Okay? See, 16, 18. Between these two numbers in middle, which number you can say? 17. So you will write 17. Next, 45, 47. In between there is a blank. You have to write this between number. So we will check. See, here it is 45, 45, 47. Between is? Between 46. Very good. So you will write 46. Now next, 48, blank, 50. So now let's check. So this is 48 and this is 50. So between these two numbers, what is the number you can see here? 49. So you will write 49. Next, 20. 22. Now let's check here. See, 20, okay, 22. These two numbers are there. Between these two, in the middle, which number is there? 21. 32. Now next, 32, 32 and 34. Now let's check. This is 32 and this is 34. So these two numbers are given. Between is which number? 33. So you will write 33. So this will be your homework. Please practice. Children, practice writing Hindi letters G, Gh, G, Gh. And you should also do picture reading from your textbook. Children, now take your sight words chart and repeat after me. You, your, in, out, about, I, my, a, an, at, is, and, do, go, to, of, the, are, me, we, and today's two new words are on, 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 or. Children, practice all these sight words. Bye children. Take care. Happy weekend.